So we just had a great Bloody Mary. Still working on it. The great Captain Stranded. I'll show you around a little bit more. We have a lovely poker table.
Obviously, we're going to bring up
Great fine art. Now, over here is our curtain with ties for the potential members yet to come. So we just, when someone earns one, they will get either one of these ties. It's got to mismatch their outfit. It has to be the ugliest tie for them. They cannot perfectly match their outfit. So now, let's go to the next part.
Hi!
Let's go to the next part of the Ghoulcrest. We're going upstairs to our second floor. And up here is our second floor.
Hold on.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good.
I am filming. All right. Hi, fucking chairs. All right, so this is the second floor where everyone likes to sing in the dark and mingle and enjoy the view of the Wasteland.
Best view in the wastes.
Agree, good sir.
Cheers.
Yeah,
Wasteland
talk.
Woo!
Such a lovely view, isn't it? So yeah, that is the Ghoulcrest. Thank you.